What are you making?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken? How old are you?
Mom, you already know that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey!
William, don't do that again. Sis,
What?
do you enjoy making fried chicken?
Yeah. Because my hand kind of hurts when doing it.
It's the true story of the three little picture
Do you like to cook?
Yeah.
Are you good at it?
Mm-hmm.
You're super good at it.
Hi, Cook. Oh, yeah, that's really.
How do you know when they're ready to flip?
When the back is kind of brownish.
Oh, okay.
This one doesn't look brown enough on that side.
Yeah. What grade are you in?
First grade,
And what did Mom tell you about that oil?
it can melt your skin off.
Yeah. So we're super careful with it, right? And what else are we having with fried chicken?
Asparagus that William helped with.
Uh-huh. And what did you decide to season the asparagus with?
I forgot.
You said you wanted to put sugar
Sugar,
on it?
white sugar, and then
Yeah, white sugar because we didn't have brown sugar.
and then the stuff that you put on applesauce.
Careful.
sometimes.
Not crispy enough yet?
Yeah.
William. Sis,
What?
you got some flour right here on your face.